Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from me, Ranga the Trainer. In this video we're going to look at Mote and how you can use that for verbal feedback, but also the new feature to translate your feedback into other languages. So let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so here I am with a simple math starter that I've shared with my student, and all I've done here is a simple know, think questions kind of task. So in this section here, I've asked them to put the information that they know. In this section, the information they think they know, and in this section, any questions they'd like to ask. And now I can easily comment back on that using the Mote extension, which we can see easily here in my Google browser. Okay, in my Chrome browser there, we've got the Mote extension. Okay, so all I need to do is to click on any particular part, and in this case I'm going to click on the no. Okay, so I can highlight the whole thing or just the individual piece of information, and I'm going to click on the comment button here. And you'll notice, because I've got Mote installed, I've got the option to start recording here, so I can record a voice message. So here we go. Okay, thanks for that. So yes, absolutely, we know for definite that that angle that is shown is 140 degrees, but is there anything else there that we think is 100% definite? So I can give that feedback to the student, and I've got the option here, I can just comment straight away, or I can review and edit my transcript. Okay, so if I click on review and edit my transcript, just click here, and then Mote listens to what I've said. Okay, thanks for that. So yes, absolutely, we know for definite that... Oh, this is going to be really quiet, isn't it? So I've got the option to listen to it back to hear what I said, but it's also giving me a transcript which I can read and double check to make sure it's understood everything correctly. So okay, thanks for that. Yes, absolutely, we know for definite that the angle that is shown is 140 degrees, but is there anything else there that we think is 100 definite? So it's missing the word percent there. It's not quite caught that, so I can add it in. Okay, and then I can just save that. All right, now I've saved it, I can just click comment, and the student at the other end will just see the information here that I've shared, my transcript. They can click show more to see all of it, and they can click play to... Okay, thanks for that. So yes, absolutely, we know for definite. Okay, and I can still edit that if I want to. So that's my first bit of feedback to that student. I might then go to this second piece of feedback. I think the missing angle is 60, which would mean the line is 200. So I might click on here and comment again and say, okay, what I want you to do is to go to the back of your exercise book and look for your triangle, your angles in a triangle help sheet, and just check your facts on that, because I think you might want to address something. I click done. Again, it just thinks it through. Again, I can just click the comment, and it's given me here the comment. Okay, what I want you to do is go to the back of your exercise and look for your triangle, and so on. Your angles in a triangle help sheet. So I can edit that because I repeated myself if I want to. I don't have to, but I could. Okay, what I want you to do, so look for your angles in a triangle help sheet. Just check your facts on that. I think you might want to change something. There we go. So I can click save. And you'll notice here I've also got the translate button. So all I need to do here now is click translate. I can select any of these languages, okay, which are supported. So I'm going to choose Spanish. And what it's done is it's done its best job it possibly can of quickly translating that information for me. So lo que quiero que hagas es ir al final de tu cuaderno de ejercicios y buscar tus ángulos en una hoja de ayuda triangular. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And in the case of working with students who are EIL, that's certainly going to give them the opportunity to listen to the feedback in English and read the feedback in English, but also listen to it, but also read it in their own language. And again, this works with multiple languages. So you could record in different languages. You could go from French to Spanish, from Mandarin to French, whatever you like to do. And all you need to do is just click Save, okay, and exit. And you can see here, it's translated that. So you've got the written version in Spanish. Okay, what I want you to do is to go to the recorded version in English. So a really cool way to give feedback to students, particularly either if you're feeding back to a student whose English is an additional language, or if you're a modern language teacher and you want to feed back in the target language as well as in English. Okay, so that's all using Mote. Now the other great thing about this is if I go up to my extension here, okay, I can pop open Mote. And we can see here, I can change my transcription language if I want to. I can also come to this My Activity and Engagement section. And this will give me a dashboard that tells me every recording I've made and gives me feedback on that information. So for example, this recording that I made, this piece of feedback, I know has been opened or viewed by Ben. This piece I know has been opened or viewed and has been listened to. And this piece has been opened or viewed and listened to, and the student has marked it with may need help, okay? Because at the student end, they get the option to have a short reaction, either a may need help or a diamond if they think they've cracked it and they don't need any support. So you can get very quick feedback really easily on your particular feedback. And here you've got a quick link to the original context. So here we've got something that the student may need help to action. I can click on that. It will load it back up and it's telling me, it's highlighted, here we go, that it was this particular one that they need help to action. So I'm in a position to then go back and help them with that if I need to. A really cool feature of Mote. And the fantastic part about this is if you look at the pricing, due to a recent update, you can see that there is a free version, okay, which will get you started with Mote, which will enable you to listen and read unlimited voice notes, create emojis in your comments, and create unlimited voice notes for a maximum of 30 seconds. Okay, so there is a free option, and then there are paid options as well, including discounts available for large seat numbers. So well worth investigating. Okay. And the final thing I'm going to do is just give you a little taste of one of the favourite things I do, which is using the emojis. So I'm just going to click on there. I add a comment. If I just do colon and start typing, for example, TH, I get the option of thumbs up or thinking face. I can go, right, thinking face there. And I can say, isn't there something showing us what type of triangle it is? So I can type it, or I can leave it at that point. Okay, I've made the comment in there. You notice there's no option for the Mote, but now I can add this underneath. Start recording. Are you sure there isn't something in that triangle that's already telling us what type of triangle it is? And again, we can just record that. And because we're using voice, students can understand whether we are giving them a clue, we can give them intonation to help them, we might emphasize particular words, but they can also hear our voice and feel familiar, which with distance learning is really important. And we just add that in there as a comment, okay? And once again, I would be able to go through and check on the feedback whether that has been viewed and listened to. Okay, so give it a try. It's great fun and it massively reduces your marking workload.